Hey guys, I'm showing you this Hotata wireless doorbell with 60 doorbell chimes. It is a LED flash, 1000 feet range, 5 volume levels and mute mode. So doorbell for home, classroom, apartment or anywhere you want to use it. So this comes, as you can see, with the screws pasting thing, two of these receivers, and then one is the button itself. So this is a manual that comes with it, and the use is pretty much straightforward. Like, you can put this in the electric switch, these two receivers. This is of plastic and looks like a nice shape. There's a volume control button and different chimes button, so the two are similars. And this is the main button that you will use it as a doorbell outside your home. This is a waterproof, so this is weatherproof and waterproof, so it's protective. This also use the battery that comes with it, and you can use that battery along with this. So there is a screw that you can put in, and this is the battery for this button. And you can also use this sticker and put it outside the door, so wherever you want to fix it. So now to open, they given this screwdriver, and you can just push this screwdriver inside and just open it up. So you have to be really cautious so that you will not break it, because this is plastic. And this once open, you can put this battery inside it, and then you can just close this button. So I put in the battery. I'm just putting this in the electric switch, so just one of it, so that I can show it. And you can see the blue light start blinking. It is now connecting with it. It automatically usually connect with this receiver and this thing. And now you can adjust the volume or the chimes, whatever you want. So I'm trying to give you like pretty quick thing, like all these ringtones that this have, and should be a better thing to do. So I show like the button, and this thing is easy. You can fix it by this or by the screws, anything you want to use. And it's pretty much straightforward. The receiving and button end is good, and this is a premium acrylic material that is used for. And there are total like 60 delightful ringtones that you can use. So I'm just playing one by one quickly so that you can see that. And this is a IP44 dust proof and waterproof, with a temperature of 140 degree Fahrenheit or 60 degree Celsius or minus 20 degree Celsius. So hopefully this is very helpful, when you want to put this button in a different rooms, apartments or basement, and you want to just call somebody. And you can of course choose the volume and the ringtone based on your own taste. So this is a pretty much easy and good ring doorbell, a wireless one, don't require any wire, and pretty easy to use. And yeah, hope you like this and all these ringtones. And let me know if you have any questions about it. So this receiver is also very similar to the previous one, so they both are same with the same buttons, so you can use in the two rooms.